How to sign in to American Express online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can sign in into your American Express credit card account. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your web browser and simply search for sign in to AmEx credit card and hit enter. After you do that, you'll find the American Express website right here. You can head over to the website. So you can go to this website or whichever your country code is here. So I'll just head over to this website. And all I have to now do is type in my user ID, type in a password, make sure that both of these are correct. You can tap on show to see the password. Then choose your account type. Here, we'll choose cards and bankings. And if you want to make this process easier for future, tap on remember me. Then tap on login and then you'll get logged in into your account. And that's how easy it is guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.